In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Analytics for SEO. First, let's begin by opening your web browser and heading over to the Google Analytics homepage. You'll find all the tools and resources you need there. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a prominent button that says Sign into Analytics. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to the Google Analytics dashboard, which is the central hub for all the data you need to examine. After logging in, you'll land on the Google Analytics home. This section provides a high-level overview of your website traffic, user behavior, and other key performance indicators. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface as it's crucial for navigating later steps. Now, move your attention to the settings menu. This is your control center, where you can adjust various configurations related to data collection and processing. Click on the settings icon, which will reveal a menu of options. Within this menu, look for the data collection and modification section. Clicking on this will allow you to manage how your data is gathered and stored. It offers immense flexibility for tailoring data based on your specific SEO needs. Right after that, you'll want to head over to the data streams section. This is where Google Analytics tracks different data sources, such as your website or mobile app, to funnel information into your reports. Upon entering the data streams section, make sure to select the stream related to the property you want to analyze. With this action, you can view specific metrics that are crucial for understanding your site's SEO performance. Finally, navigate to the enhanced measurement option. This setting allows you to automatically track and measure a variety of useful data points without needing additional codes or scripts. It captures events like page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, and more. By enabling enhanced measurement, you empower Google Analytics to provide deeper insights into user engagement and behavior. All these steps collectively equip you with a wealth of data, crucial for optimizing your SEO strategies. Whether you're looking to identify trends or seeking to understand how users interact with your site, these tools offer robust support for your SEO objectives. Remember, the data you'll access through Google Analytics is pivotal for making informed decisions to drive traffic and improve your site's search engine performance. So keep exploring these features and adjust your strategies as needed for optimal outcomes.